ఈరోజు ఇక్కడికి విచ్చేసినటువంటి అతిథులకు అదే విధంగా మరి అద్భుతంగా ఏర్పాటు చేసినటువంటి మన కలెక్టర్ టిఎస్ దివాకర్ గారికి, ఎస్పీ శబరీష్ గారికి, అదే విధంగా ముఖ్య అతిథులుగా నాతో పాటు పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తున్న ఫైనాన్స్ సెక్రటరీ, ఫైనాన్స్ కమిషన్ చైర్పర్సన్ రాజయ్య గారికి మరియు అలేఖ్య గారికి, ఆల్ మంచి కల్చరల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఏర్పాటు చేసి అందరికీ కాకతీయుల యొక్క చరిత్రను మరి పరిపాలనా విధానాన్ని తెలియజేసినటువంటి మన మామిడాల హరికృష్ణ గారికి అందరికీ నమస్కారాలు. రెస్పెక్టెడ్ మిస్ వరల్డ్ కంటెస్టెంట్స్, ఎస్టీమ్డ్ గెస్ట్స్, dignitaries and dear friends and media and police, it is with immense pride and joy that I welcome you all to the land of legend, resilience and timeless heritage that is our beautiful Mulugu district. Today, as the spirit of grace, strength and beauty from across the world descends upon our soil, we feel deeply honored. Your presence is not just a celebration of Miss World journey, but also a celebration of values we hold dear: courage, culture and compassion. Mulugu is not just a district on the map of Telangana. It is a living story, a story written in the footsteps of our indigenous communities who have lived in harmony with nature for centuries. Our tribal women, Sammakka and Sarlamma, bravely fought against the kingdom to protect their freedom and self-respect. Even during tough times, they showed great courage and strength. Many times, people judge women only by their looks and ignore their true power. But Sammakka and Sarlamma proved that women are strong, fearless, and full of courage. At the same time, Rudrama Devi also, she showed her courage. As a tribal woman myself, I stand here not just a minister, but as a daughter of this land. I have seen how beauty is not just its appearance, but in grit, in dreams, and in the power to uplift others. We are also home to a marvel of human creativity and devotion. The Ramappa Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, built in the 13th century by the Kakatiya dynasty. This temple is not only architectural masterpiece with its intricate carvings and floating bricks, but also a symbol of our timeless pursuit of excellence. When we walk through its premises, you are not just walking through history, you are touching the spirit of an ancient civilization that celebrated art, dance, and devotion. Wherever the Kakatiyas built, they followed triple T systems: is temple, tanks, towns. Similarly, I wish you follow or take it as a suggestion the triple C in your life. C, courage, compassion, commitment. This formula will help you in developing your all-round personality. Dear contestants, as you walk your path, toward the Miss World crown. May you carry with you the blessings of the people of Mulugu, who will forever remember this day with pride. May your journey ahead be filled with confidence, compassion, and commitment. And may you never forget the most enduring crown is one that inspires, uplifts, and unites. We wish you all the success, not just in the competition, but in the greater journey of becoming voice for change, ambassadors of peace and dignity. Welcome to Mulugu. Welcome to the heart of heritage, courage, and hope. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Telangana, Jai Mulugu. You are all again welcome to Mulugu. Jarurana, Namaskaram. ఈ వరల్డ్ హెరిటేజ్లో రావడానికి ప్రధాన పాత్ర పోషించినటువంటి పాండురంగారావు గారికి ప్రత్యేకంగా ధన్యవాదాలు, నమస్కారాలు. ఇదంతా కూడా అద్భుతంగా ఏర్పాటు చేసినటువంటి కలెక్టర్, ఎస్పీ, ఆల్ అవర్ ఆఫీసర్స్ అండ్ సపోర్టర్స్ అందరికీ కూడా హృదయపూర్వక శుభాకాంక్షలు, ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తూ ముగిస్తా ఉన్నాను.
Thank you so much, Sitaka Garu. If I can request you to remain on stage. Sitaka Garu, if I can request you, ma'am, for just a few more minutes, if you can please join us back on stage. Can we have a louder round of applause for that beautiful words of inspiration? And thank you so much for reminding us our purpose as well. Thank you so much again, ma'am. And with that, while I request you to remain on stage, may I also please invite further on stage Sri Sirsila Rajaya Garu, the Chairman, State Finance Commission, to please come on stage as well. May I further please invite Sri T.S. Devakara, IAS Collector and District Magistrate, Mulugu District, and Dr. Shabrish, IPS Superintendent of Police. If I may request our dignitaries to please come on stage. Along with the 3 T's, we also learned the value of the 3 C's from Sitaka Garu. Thank you so much again. And while I request all of you to be on stage, as we thank you all for joining us this evening, we will now begin with the felicitations. We will now